You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. In a day, when you don't come across any problems, you can be sure that you are traveling in a wrong path. The great secret of true success, of true happiness, is this: the man or woman who asks for no return, the perfectly unselfish person, is the most successful. We are what our thoughts have made us, so take care about what you think. Words are secondary. Thoughts live, they travel far. Be not afraid of anything. You will do marvelous work. It is fearlessness that brings heaven even in a moment. Feel nothing, know nothing, do nothing, have nothing, give up all to God, and say utterly, "Thy will be done." We only dream this bondage. Wake up and let it go. He is an atheist who does not believe in himself. The old religion said that he was an atheist who did not believe in God. The new religion says that he is an atheist who does not believe in himself. Learn everything that is good from others, but bring it in, and in your own way absorb it. Do not become others. Was there ever a more horrible blasphemy than the statement that all the knowledge of God is confined to this or that book? How dare men call God infinite, and yet try to compress him within the covers of a little book? Do one thing at a time, and while doing it put your whole soul into it to the exclusion of all else. Each work has to pass through these stages: ridicule, opposition, and then acceptance. Those who think ahead of their time are sure to be misunderstood. A fool may buy all the books in the world, and they will be in his library, but he will be able to read only those that he deserves to. Books are infinite in number and time is short. The secret of knowledge is to take what is essential. Take that and try to live up to it. All the powers in the universe are already ours. It is we who have put our hands before our eyes and cry that it is dark. The whole life is a succession of dreams. My ambition is to be a conscious dreamer, that is all. Sri Ramakrishna used to say, "As long as I live, so long do I learn." That man or that society which has nothing to learn is already in the jaws of death. Where can we go to find God if we cannot see Him in our own hearts and in every living being? The powers of the mind are like the rays of the sun. When they are concentrated, they illumine. Which quote did you like the most? Do let us know in the comment box. Also hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos.